Howdy guys, it's Lecky here from ProPhysio Plus. This is Tradie. So one of the main dramas that I find tradies have when they're out and amongst it is that they're doing lots of repetitive bending and lifting. And I understand it's very tough to try and manage yourself, especially when you're really busy. But if you can, I'd adhere to this number one principle, which is trying to lift really well. What we want to do is, if you're getting down low, you want to avoid nice long back and arching and sort of this stooping posture, because if this is heavy, okay, where the weakness is right across the back. Okay, so that's what we don't want to do. If you're going to lift something heavy, especially if it's awkward, you really want to get down low, bend the knees, and get as close as you can to the load. So if this was something big and heavy, I really want to bring it as close as I can to my chest, and then I'm going to use all the power that I have in my hips and my legs, and I'm going to try and lift up nice and safe as best I can. If it's going to be big and heavy, I would also encourage that you try and rope in one of your mates. Tandem lift, can't go wrong with that. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed that video and you got something great out of it. If you have more questions or you want to find out more, you can find us at prophysioplus.com.au and you can make bookings online.